Located in the northern province of Kaobong, Gioc Waterfall is one of the most breathtaking natural wonders in Southeast Asia. Gioc Waterfall sits on the border along the Kwai Son River. With a height of over 30 meters, the waterfall splits into multiple tiers, creating a stunning and dramatic landscape. Visitors can hop on traditional bamboo rafts and get up close to the powerful cascades, feeling the refreshing mist and the raw energy of nature. The peaceful surroundings, combined with the sound of rushing water, offer a truly relaxing escape. Surrounding the waterfall are lush green fields, towering limestone mountains, and the simple, authentic life of local communities. Every corner here is picture perfect. The best time to visit Gioc Waterfall is from June to September, when the water flow is at its strongest, making the scenery even more spectacular. If you're searching for a destination that combines power and beauty, Gioc Waterfall is a must-visit. Come and discover one of Vietnam's most incredible natural treasures.